Hola, hola, estudiantes. As I told you before, this first unit is about sharing your personal information in Spanish. So I'm going to show you different questions and answers in Espanol in which we included the numbers because we learned them last week. So we're going to learn el calendario and some questions. We're going to start with los meses. Los meses in English is the months of the year. Here I classify them by seasons. So the cold meses are diciembre, enero, y febrero in winter. Then we have spring for marzo, abril, y mayo. Don't say mayo. Mayo is what you put in your sandwich. Then we have the hot meses for summer. That is junio, julio. Remember the J sounds like an H in English. Don't say junio or julio. And agosto. And for fall, that is my favorite season, we have septiembre, octubre, y noviembre. If you want to practice the pronunciation of these months of the year, I put a link here for you to check a YouTube video. Muy bien. Now we have the days of the week. In order, starting with Monday. So we have lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves. Remember the J sounds like an H. Don't say jueves. Friday is viernes. Then we have sábado. Sábado. You have to pronounce the D. Don't say sábado. Sábado. And the last one is domingo. Domingo. Again, to practice more the pronunciation and listening how to say them correctly, you can click on this video from YouTube. 3 words that we can use with this topic is ayer, that is yesterday. Don't say ayer, it's ayer. Hoy, that is today. H is silent. Don't say hoy. And mañana is tomorrow. Okay, question number 1. ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? Fecha means date. So we are asking, what's the date today? So if I ask you, ¿cuál es la fecha de hoy? We have like a formula to answer. That is, hoy es, today is. Then you say the day of the week. Then you say the number. Then you say the word de, just de. Then the month, then del, and then the year. Just like this. For example, hoy es, today is, martes, that's the day of the week, Tuesday. Ocho, that's the número. De, that means of in English. 8 of September. 8 de septiembre, that's the month. And del, that means of the. And then we say the year, that is 2020. You can say 2020 or 2020. So I ask you today, ¿cuál es la fecha de hoy? You say, hoy es martes 8 de septiembre del 2020. Be careful because the structure in Spanish, we go from little to big. So the little is the day. Then we have the month. And the big one is the year. So it is day, month, year. Different from English because you say first the month and then the day. Be careful with that on your quizzes and your tests. Question número 2. Pregunta 2. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? Cumpleaños. When is your birthday? The way you answer is mi cumpleaños, that means my birthday, es el, then you say the number, then the word de and the month. For example, mi cumpleaños es el 6 de octubre. Muy bien. Muy importante for the question and answer to add this squiggly thingy over the N. So it's cumpleaños. Ños. Question número 3. ¿Cuántos años tienes? The translation we say for this question is how old are you? But it really means how many years do you have? We are not using are in the question in Spanish. We're using have. So we answer with have. Yo tengo means I have. It's a little confusing. It's very different from English, but I need you to get used to saying I have 15 years old, or I have 12 years, or I have 14 years. Don't say yo soy. So if you ask, ¿cuántos años tienes, señora Lester? I tell you, yo tengo 34 años. Yo tengo the number and then años. In English, you can say just I'm 14. In Spanish, you have to say yo tengo, the number, and you always have to say años. Why? Because you're using the verb tengo that is have. If you say I have 14, then I don't know what you have, like 14 apples, 14 houses, 14 horses. So you have to tell me años. Question number 4. ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? What's your phone number? And the way you answer is mi número de teléfono es. You always start with the area code that is 864 for Greenville. And then the rest of the numbers. When we share our phone number in class, we're not going to say our real number, okay? Just make up one, but make sure that you don't use uno, 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 or dos, 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 not a repeated number, and not a sequence of numbers, like un, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. Make it more challenging for you, okay? You can say it one by one, each number, or you can say 13, 34, like in twos. You put it together. Okay. Those are 4 more important questions for this topic. To say your phone number, your age, your birthday, and the date. Okay? I have something extra for you. You remember the cognates, those words that are similar in Spanish and in English? Well, the word favorito, that is favorite. So we're going to use it here for you to tell me ¿cuál es tu número favorito? Which means, what's your favorite number? The way you answer is mi número favorito es, and then you tell me your favorite number. While we get used to numbers and how to spell them, I need you to write out all the numbers, okay? For example, mi número favorito es 8. Mi número favorito es 8. Another favorite. ¿Cuál es tu día favorito? So día is day. We're talking about the days of the week. So what's your favorite day? You answer, mi día favorito es, and you choose. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, or domingo. Mi día favorito es sábado. Muy bien. And the last one. Another favorito. ¿Cuál es tu mes favorito? What's your favorite month? So you think of any holidays or your birthday that makes it special for that month, and you choose your favorite. And you tell me, mi mes favorito es, which means my favorite month is, and you tell me whatever your favorite month is. For example, mi mes favorito es diciembre, because I love Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Muy bien. Those are the 4 main questions for this topic with 3 extras. Use these notes to answer your assignments for this week. Watch the videos from YouTube to learn how to pronounce them correctly. Y hasta la vista, babies.